The ongoing war in Europe has brought civil aviation through Ukraine and Russia to a halt, with industry experts saying long-distance travelers may soon notice a difference in airfare and vacation costs due to military operations, among other factors. The closure of Russian airspace has wiped out many of the fastest routes linking Europe and Asia, says Mikhail Trinkwalder of Germany, which gives early warnings about travel in times of crisis. Flight prices are now expected to increase for following longer routes and thus consuming more fuel, at a time when global oil and energy prices are already rising. On the other hand, Ralph Schiller, president of FTI Group, the third largest tour operator group in Europe, said, "We are still continuing with longer and higher quality flights in 2022, but travelers in this case may have to pay for a 15% increase in average costs. So how do you get cheap tickets? Here are the 5 tips to get cheaper airline tickets. Choosing the day and time of the flight. The flight date should not be chosen on holidays and weekends such as Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays, so, when searching for airline tickets, it is always recommended to book it on Tuesdays and in the afternoon. Tip number 2. Airline discounts. According to the Cheap Flights website, which specializes in searching for the best prices, as airlines around the world reduce ticket prices after the end of the first week of January, until the end of the same month, and at the beginning of September of each year, ticket prices do not exceed $200, and may even drop to less than $20, if the flight is within the European Union, for example, or the Gulf countries. Tip number 3. Taking into account the tourist season. Travelers should take into account the tourist season, as ticket prices drop in February and March on cold weather destinations that GCC citizens prefer to visit in the summer, where the temperature is moderate. Tip number 4. Booking at least 3 months in advance. If you would like to book a low-cost tour outside of airline offers, you should take several steps, including starting looking for tickets 3 months before the flight, as airlines usually have a margin of flight costs, not counting profitability, so the price may be very low. Tip number 5. Transit. Getting cheap tickets can be easy, especially if the tourist wants to discover more than one destination. For example, Qatar Airways offers transit passengers the opportunity to stay within Qatar for approximately 48 to 72 hours, as is the case in many Arab countries, allowing tourists to discover more than one touristic destination during a single trip, and ensuring very cheap prices. Those are the 5 tips to book cheap flight tickets as airline prices soar high with rising fuel costs. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so you will be alerted on our future uploads. Comment your personal thoughts below. You may share this video so others will also learn this tip. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world. don't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world.